Hey everybody. Well, today we're doing a review on the Gochifix Leaf Blower. It comes with two batteries, two 21-volt batteries, two attachments, and the manual. So we're going to put this together. We're going to get out here and we're going to blow a few leaves and see how this thing works. It has, I think, 5 settings. So we'll do all 5 settings and just see how that works out. So as you can see, it's a really good, it's got a lot of power behind it. The blower only weighs about 5 pounds, and it was very easy to assemble and easy to disassemble if you need to. There's a button right here on the side that you can push, and this attachment will come off. And but yeah, this is going to be really nice for yard work, and also to blow my pad off when I'm camping. So I do a lot of camping, and this is going to be really nice to have. So it does come with 5 speeds, and it comes with 2 dual batteries, which gives you up to about 100 minutes of runtime. And it's lightweight. I love that. And the batteries are rechargeable too, I might add. I want to put that in there too. So, but yeah, this is a great leaf blower. It did a real good job on my leaves out here. So, but yeah, this is a keeper. Also, they sent this handy manual that will give you all the operating instructions that you need, and it'll also tell you how to care for your blower. And then also, if you run into any problems, there's a few things in here that you can do to troubleshoot. There's going to be a link and a 40% discount code in the description below if this is a product that you might be interested in buying. So just look in the description below and you'll find the links and the codes that you need.